My heart tumbled, not from being nervous. Sometimes I'm thinking God made me special here on purpose. So all the while, till I'm gone, make my words important. So if I slip away, if I die today, the last thing you remember won't be about some apple-bottom jeans with the boots with the fur. Baby, how I dream of being free since my birth. Cursed it, but the demons I comfort would disperse. Have you ever heard of some shit so real, beyond the heart from the soul you can feel? And if I die before I wake, I pray the Lord my soul to take. But please don't cry, just know that I have made these songs for you. And if I die before I wake, I pray the Lord my soul to take, 'cause I'm ready for a funeral. My mind runs, I can never catch it, even if I got a head start. God, please tell me I am feeling so alone away. I don't need to worry, 'cause I know the world feels this nigga. Blessing and just curse, but I am not hiding who I am. Open your eyes, bro. If I ever met you, I appreciate the love, yo. Girls that I date, it's okay. I'm not mad, yo, unless you stab me in the heart. No love, ho. This shit is so ill. Pay back from the top if you realize real. And if I die before I wake, I pray the Lord to take. But please don't cry, just know that I have made these songs for you. If I die before I wake, I pray the Lord my soul to take. 'Cause I'm ready for a funeral, 'cause I'm ready for a funeral. 'Cause I'm ready for a funeral, 'cause I'm ready for a funeral.